Over 70% of residents in an aged care facility experience incontinence, and excess moisture puts elderly skin at risk. It is important that elderly skin that is exposed to incontinence be kept dry, clean and protected to avoid skin issues in the perineal area. As we age, our protective skin layer gets thinner, making it more susceptible to external irritants, and prolonged skin moisture contact has been identified as the major factor. Irritant contact dermatitis and excess moisture can alter the structure of the outermost skin layers, which can compromise the skin barrier function. Let's have a look at elderly skin and how to implement this regime to keep your residents dry, clean and protected. Skin health is important to TENA. That's why we have developed the only moisture test that measures skin moisture levels. This test has been validated by the University of Southampton. The test demonstrates the effectiveness of our products to keep the skin dry. TENA has also been endorsed by the Skin Health Alliance, a leading international skin organisation led by a team of independent dermatologists and skin scientists who award professional accreditation to products, services and brands. This accredited mark is an independent assurance that products have met a thorough set of skin safety requirements. TENA is the first incontinence supplier to hold this accreditation. TENA's ProSkin model is endorsed by experts and backed by research. TENA's ProSkin model offers a 3-step solution designed to provide support when taking care of skin affected by incontinence. Dry skin means less risk of incontinence-associated skin care concerns. So if you are using TENA's wide range of ProSkin absorbency products, you are already on the right track to maintaining healthy skin. Our ProSkin products feature our trademarked Feel Dry Advanced system, which quickly absorbs moisture and then locks it away to keep the skin dry. These products also have a breathable backsheet, which enables airflow to help regulate the skin temperature. Soap and water are no longer regarded as best practice for skincare management. Frequent cleansing with soap and water can disrupt the skin's integrity, reducing its ability to prevent infection. Soaps can cause irritation if left on the skin, even after rinsing. TENA Wash Cream is a non-rinse cream that, when applied with a TENA Soft Wipe, replaces soap and water to cleanse the skin. Simply apply to the skin and wipe off any excess. Water is not required. Wash Cream is effective for removing feces from pubic hair in and around the perineal area. Ensure you debulk first and always remember to wipe from front to back, minimising any risk of infection. The Wash Cream is a solution for not only perineal hygiene, but as a whole body cleanser. Avoid using Wash Cream near the eyes. Use 1 to 2 pumps for the face. For the body, put 3 to 5 pumps directly onto the soft wipe and dab on the skin and massage gently for an even distribution of cream. Turn the wipe over and gently remove the excess cream. Do not rinse off with water. For legs and feet, use 3 to 5 pumps of cream. Always proceed from the thighs towards the feet. For perineal cleansing, remove any bulk stool with toilet paper. Then use 2 to 5 pumps of wash cream on the soft wipe to fully clean the area. TENA ProSkin Wash Mousse is a gentle alternative to soap and water and is ideal for frequent cleansing, especially where there is fecal incontinence. The freshly scented 3-in-1 foam cleansers protects and moisturises fragile, ageing skin. No additional rinsing required. The TENA ProSkin Wash Mousse also helps to maintain the skin's natural pH and promote skin health. TENA Wash Mousse is easy and convenient. Remove bulk feces with toilet paper. Then simply spray the foam onto the TENA Soft Wipe before applying to the skin to wipe the area. Use a fresh soft wipe to remove the mousse, urine and feces. Dispose of the soft wipe and repeat the process until the area is clean. TENA wet wipes can be used to clean the perineal area to ensure that it is clean of urine and feces. They can also be used for the whole body. Wet wipes are pre-moistened to cleanse, restore and protect in one simple step. A gentle, quick and convenient alternative to soap and water. For perineal cleansing, remove any excess feces with toilet paper. Use 1 to 2 wipes and always proceed from front to back. For all other areas, 1 wipe per area is enough. Ensure when cleansing the face to avoid the eyes. Lastly, our shampoo and shower is a dual-purpose cleansing gel and conditioning shampoo, which is ideal for fragile, aging skin and hair care. The conditioning formula contains provitamin B5, which leaves hair manageable and easy to comb. Protecting skin is important to restore the natural moisture balance. TENA Barrier Cream is a gentle, transparent formula that provides a water-repellent barrier, ideal for those with heavy or full incontinence, or anyone requiring extra protection to maintain skin integrity. TENA Barrier Cream should be used sparingly on the perineal area and skin folds to avoid clogging absorbent pads. With its transparency, the barrier cream means you can still see the skin beneath, so you can monitor what is happening. TENA Barrier Cream can also be used to protect the area around a stoma and intact skin around wounds. Do not use it on broken skin, and please seek further advice for wound management from your clinical team. The TENA body lotion is currently used in many TENA homes with great results in reducing skin tears. It can be used on the entire body to restore the natural moisture balance of the skin and to help keep the skin barrier intact. It's a lightweight lotion which relieves dry, tight skin, leaving it feeling smooth, soft and comfortable. Ideal for use with dry, delicate skin, the whole body, and frequent daily use, especially after bathing. Use 3 to 5 pumps and apply to the whole body after a shower and then again later in the day. Avoid putting lotion on soles of the feet as it may be slippery. It is important that elderly skin that is exposed to incontinence be kept dry, clean and protected. By following a regular skin care routine, you can improve the skin health of those in your care, and this makes life for those with incontinence more comfortable and more dignified. When you use TENA ProSkin, you are not only managing incontinence, you're actively helping to keep the skin healthy. 77% of users experienced a reduction in moisture lesions whilst using the TENA No Rinse Wash Cream. 67% experienced improved skin condition with TENA washes and wipes. For a more detailed explanation on the whole skincare range, its recommended usage and the benefits on aging skin, please refer to your TCMS resources or contact your TENA Continence Management consultant.